So American sprint legend turned analyst Michael Johnson was quick out of the blocks again after the spanking world record run by Nigerian sprint hurdler Toby Amusan. Johnson tweeted he does not believe the 100-meter hurdles times are right. World record broken by 800th of a second, 5 national records set, and the very athletes who were credited with these fast times looked shocked. I mean, I lie. When I saw the race and then the time on the clock, me did surprise too. The race just never looked that fast. And even the new record holder looked surprised at the decimation of the previous record in what looked like an effortless execution. And that right there, I think, is the key. It was the smoothness of the execution by Toby Amusan. While the race never looked that fast, she was flawless in the clearing of the hurdles and deceptively quick between the hurdles. And that is what tricked Michael Johnson and the rest of us. Yeah, man, not no wrong with the race or the clock, Michael Johnson. Like the rest of us, you just got deceived by the slickness and quickness of a black woman.